Alright, so I'm here with my painter, Fuzzy. Yes. Fuzzy, say hi.
Hi. Look how we're doing it. This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it. You can make your house look great.
You know?
Beautiful. Okay? One touch.
Boy, your mouth sweetie, man.
Look at it. Look at it. Look for yourself. We're going to do the White House. Put it in the black.
Put it in black. Put the White House in black. So Fuzzy,
yeah.
Boy, the girls are supposed to love you, man.
Yeah, man, I love you. You see, that's how we keep my house clean and nice.
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. I'm all dirty and clean at the same time.
It's at the same time.
Yes.
So you're dating anybody now?
No, I'm kind of single now. I'm on the date side.
You're single now?
Yeah,
so
I'm on the date side.
Which date side you on?
Marlon.
So ladies, if you want a hard-working man,
give me a call.
Hard-working.
I'll go from Instagram. Okay?
You have your Instagram?
It's a painter Instagram name. Painter. Okay?
Painter Instagram? Yeah. That's what...
Look out for me. If I painter Instagram.
You saw him man muscle up, you know he's a hard-working man.
Okay. Hi, baby. Baby.
Remember, this is job work. 876-292-6776. I see Miss Painter come in my view. You have something to say?
This is the one. Who this?
This is the supervisor, Campbell.
Supervisor. Look how you get the roller. Everybody get the roller.
You want to say something to me, Tony? No. Alright, so you finished now inside.
That's why.
She's shy. Alright, guys. So 876-292-6776. Remember, we're job work. We're in Jamaica. We do the construction, renovation, and we sell houses. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.